Hi there, my name is Jared and I'm a teacher here at YATI. This week I have been teaching the street dance summer school for the 6 to 11 year olds, the junior street dance group. This whole week has been fantastic, they've been working really hard. The main objectives of the week, I guess the key things are trying to get them comfortable and able to learn choreography, comfortable and able to do their own solos and to create their own work as well. So to learn choreography, to freestyle and to create their own choreography. And also just to have fun, build confidence, make friends. These things obviously integral to any of the workshops we do here. So today is the final day, just getting them ready to do their final show. They've been amazing and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. 2, 3, 4, look, show, hand, come back. So let's go from the beginning again. So we have street dance classes here every week on a Saturday. They're run by the lovely Toto, who is a wonderful dancer, lovely teacher, and they're here 1:30 to 3 every Saturday. Sign up, check out the website, give us a call, and yeah, hopefully there'll be a place for you. Come down.